Welcome to our A La Carte Financial Intelligence Overview. By selecting this page, you are likely to be a recipient of financial information in your organisation, like a finance director, or perhaps the person responsible for producing financial reporting to the board, perhaps a financial controller or management accountant. Either way, I am sure you will recognise the issues faced every month on this slide. Financial reporting is unfortunately usually a chore. We spend 80% of our time just collating the information needed just to get the management accounts together. That's not really what we are typically employed to do. We pray that the accounting system hasn't changed, as that affects all our reports, meaning changes and increasing the risk of us presenting the wrong numbers. These risks are real, as is highlighted on this slide. So how do you deliver your financial reports? For most organisations, using the reporting tools provided with the accounting system do not work, as invariably such tools are not flexible enough to produce the results you need, or require training in a very niche area that quite frankly isn't worth you the effort or investment, or expensive to get external resources to develop and maintain these reports for you. In such cases, finance people turn to the obvious alternative, Excel. By taking a trial balance or TB each period, skilled controllers and accountants can transform the TB to a nice looking set of profit and loss and balance sheet reports. Nevertheless, there are numerous issues, actually business risks, when taking this approach. What happens when you add things to the accounting system, nominal codes, new cost centres, departments, even companies? Will they appear automatically in your reports? If you manually change each report to reflect the above changes, how many reports will you need to maintain? Can you say hand on heart that the changes you made to report 1 are also reflected in report 2? And finally, what if someone does not believe a number in your P&L or balance sheet report? Can you easily get back to the underlying transactions in the accounting system to investigate and audit this specific entry? These are just 3 out of numerous issues which typically surround monthly financial reporting. If they are the ones you recognise in your organisation, then you should take a look at A La Carte Financial Intelligence. Imagine this was now possible in your company. P&L reports at a touch of a button. Ability to refresh a report instantly across any year and period, cost centre or department or company for full multi-company solutions, perhaps with multi-currency reporting requirements as well. The ability to drill down to any level in your P&L or balance sheets. The ability to click on any number and audit this number back to the underlying transactions. Want to slice and dice your P&L by another way, perhaps actual versus budget, by time, by company, by cost centre. Same, of course, applies to the balance sheet. And this is just the start. Now extend A La Carte Financial Intelligence to provide dashboards on your financial data, budgeting and forecasting, or even deployment of reports onto a mobile device. Why not transform the way you do financial reporting and spend the time at month end analysing your business performance, rather than spend 80% of your time just collating the data? Click on the links on this webpage to download brochures, see the product in more detail, understand the system requirements for the A La Carte software, or just book a demo to discuss your specific requirements. Thank you.